Hey guys, Anatoly from Define Agile here. I'm in Portugal and today we're talking about an important question I've been asked quite some time. The question is, can one Scrum Master support multiple Scrum teams? Is that even a good idea? I will give you my perspective on this. If you read a Scrum guide, you would see right away it says one Scrum Master per Scrum team. However, I know that this is not always possible in smaller companies, for example, where you cannot hire Scrum Master for every single team. It might be too expensive. Those Scrum Masters might not have much to do in a day if their teams are very efficient. So there are a bunch of things you need to consider. I've been working as Scrum Master right now for about 6-7 years, and it's been both. I've been a dedicated Scrum Master for a single team. I was also a developer / Scrum Master, and I was a Scrum Master for 3 teams at the same time. There's an important thing. You need to make sure that before you take another team, if you decide to do so, you need to make sure that you do it one by one and your first team is good enough so they can facilitate ceremonies sometimes themselves and make sure that they are already self-sufficient. So usually I need a couple of months to work with a team before I take more teams. And my goal would be for every team I have to make sure that whenever I'm done with this team, they can go in a couple of months, maybe 3-4 months, they can be Scrum team on their own. One of them can become a Scrum Master and they're good to go. So that's my opinion. Hey Bonnie, how are you? That's my dog Bonnie. She's very cute. So this is my opinion on one Scrum Master and multiple teams. Please start slow and Bonnie, what do you want? Please start slow and scale as you go. Have one team first and then have multiple teams if you need to. Ideally one Scrum Master per team, but if you cannot do that, don't stress about it. Just take more teams. Also, it might be that you're such a good Scrum Master, your teams are so efficient that you might not have much to do. So having more teams will give you more exposure. It also allows you to connect those teams together, figure out what are the integrations point between them, what are the issues that you can solve as well. This is my opinion. If you have your own opinion, you disagree, please put them in the comments down below. Smash the like button if you like it. Also follow me, please subscribe to this channel because a lot of things like that is coming and I really appreciate you watching this and being a subscriber. Thank you very much. It was Anatoly from Define Agile. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.